Hello persons, welcome back. Today it's not a drawing challenge, so I don't have to say day anything. This is a little different because we're going to be baking today. I don't normally ignore that. I don't normally do baking videos, but today's an exception. Oh gosh, oh it's so gross. Anyways, yeah, so let's get into baking. Okay, so we are back from the grocery store and I got sugar cookie mix, red chocolate chips, butter, blue food dye. So let's get into making cookies. Okay, so I got my bowl and we're gonna put things in the bowl as the cookie recipe says. So let's start putting things in the bowl. Okay, so I got sugar cookie mix to make chocolate chip cookies. Now I would normally get chocolate chip cookie mix, but these ones are special. These are special chocolate chip cookies, and I wanted to use white chocolate chips. So let's start mixing things. I'm going to use a spatula. So what's next? Stir cookie mix, softened butter, and egg in a medium bowl until dough forms. Okay. So we need butter. This way. Okay. Keep the butter out. Butter, egg. Where's the egg bowl? Now I use this little egg bowl that my mom made, so I don't put any eggshells in it. It's just easier for me. I don't know why. I don't need to explain myself. Eggs. You can't see, can you? Silly me. Oh, they're pretty. Why aren't the eggs pretty? I'm not gonna question that. It's there for a reason. I feel either. Okay, again, use towel. You know how to make cookies. Why am I showing you like you're a preschooler? Okay, so we finally got it to a dough consistency. We had to melt the butter. So now it's time for food dye. So let's see how this goes. I don't know if this is. This doesn't like it. Okay, I think I got it. I got it. Here's the blue food dye again. We got the pin out of there, so it's actually blue dye. Oh, that's 2. 3, 4. That'll work. Close that, and we can stir it. Okay, so it's not the color of the shade of blue I want yet. So we got my food dye again, and let's just open it up. Add some more blue. If you haven't guessed what kind of cookies we're making yet, or maybe you have, I don't know, but it's fine, we got this. Still not the color, but we're getting pretty close. I'm just gonna add a lot of blue this time and really hope it works. I really want a deeper blue color. Good. Once we get the blue right, we'll add chocolate chip cookies. Let's get the blue right first. So let's get into that. Okay, so I finally got the blue color right. Really like it. So I'm going to get a measuring cup and add these. I'm only going to do a cup for those who are actually interested in making this. I'm only going to do a cup. Let me see. This is going to cover it. Okay, yes. Okay. Measuring cup. Let's see if I got it. Kind of about that, but yeah, that'll work. Okay, that's me. It's really starting to look like the cookies I was imagining. I'm so excited. Okay, so we got cookie sheet, cookie dough. I should take that out. Tip that later. Let's put these into here. Okay, so you get to watch me struggle because I hate the oven with a burning passion. So we're going to figure out how. Okay, there. Now then let me set a timer. If you haven't figured out what my cookies are from, it is a book series. It is also now a TV show. And it is a movie. Movies, plural. Thank you, Mom. These are gonna be so good. Yum. We have one more batch of cookies to put in, and then we are good.
It's soft, but
Oh, that's fine. Let's stick it up. Okay, let's put this back in the oven. My father, I asked, completely bewildered. Poseidon, said Chiron. Earthshaker, Stormbringer, father of horses. Hail, Perseus Jackson, son of the sea god. If you guys got it, congratulations to you. And if you enjoy this content, you might want to consider subscribing. But if you're not ready to commit yet, then maybe consider liking. Thank you again for watching. Goodbye.